Here's a Razr Plus smartphone. I'm going to show you how to use the screen record feature so you can video record whatever's on your screen. Okay. So very simple here. So first thing, you want to slide down to your notifications. Slide down. Oops. Slide down. Slide down one more time. And now you want to look for a screen record. Okay. If it's not here, swipe to the left. And look on here. If it's not there, swipe to the left. My screen record is there, but if it's not there, you got one more. You can go ahead and slide over, okay? Anyway, I got screen record here. First, let me just press and hold. If I do that, you can see the settings, okay? You can do your viewfinder size, small or large, basically the picture-in-picture. I'll leave that on small. I'll show you that right there. Resolution 1080p. Frames per second here, you can do 30 FPS, 60 FPS, or dynamic. Recording time limits. File size limit, and record touch points, which I'll like to keep that one on. Okay, so now let me go back to notifications here. So let me slide down again, and we're going to move over to the left, look for screen record. Okay, so now when you want to start it, we can go ahead and tap on start, and then tap on start here, and you get a countdown: 3, 2, 1. Now also note, okay, so then you get this little left arrow, tap on that. Now look under here, you see the mic. The mic is off right now. So if I tap on that mic, yeah, it's recording right now, but really quickly you have 3 options. You can do microphone, system sound, or you can do mic and system sound, or you can mute everything, okay? So for this example, I'm gonna put mic and system sound, okay? So this way it's gonna record everything come out of my phone and me speaking over it, okay? But let me just press on stop really fast. And now, because I left it on the device audio and the microphone, now if I go back, slide down again, and I go back to screen record, if I go here and then I click on start, 3, 2, 1, and now it's automatically give me that option. If I click on right there, it's automatically on mic and system sound. So it's recording everything. So we're just testing 1, 2, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing, and here's the viewfinder, and I had to touch, you can see that, so all whatever I'm touching, that's being recorded as well. And let me go ahead and turn the viewfinder off with a pip, turn that off. Let me go to one of my YouTube. It's a Revel tablet. So you're stuck in a no command. Now audio's coming out of the phone and I'm still speaking over it, okay? First, let me show you so let's go ahead and stop it. Now you can press on the stop right there. Let's stop right there. Okay, and now it said video saved. Now every time it gets saved, it automatically goes into your Photos app right there. So if I click on the Photos right there, and then let's go to Photos here, and then I'm going to go back here. I'll click the 3 horizontal lines. I'll click on Photos here, and then you should have a new folder called Screen Record. And that last one I just took is right there. It's 44 seconds. Let's go ahead and play it. Give me that option. If I click on right there, it's automatically on mic and system sound. So it's recording everything. So we're just testing 1. Oops, sorry. You can play and pause right here too, okay? So let's continue. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. And here's the viewfinder. And I had to touch. You can see that. So whatever I'm touching, that's being recorded as well. And let me go ahead and turn the viewfinder off with a pip. Turn that off. Let me go to one of my YouTube. It's a Revel tablet. So you're stuck in a no command. Now, no problem. Audio's coming out of the phone and I'm still speaking over it, okay? First, let me show you how you make. Let's go ahead and stop it now. You can press on the stop right there. Give me that option. Anyway, there you guys go. Right there, it's automatically on mic and system sound. I think you guys got the message there, right? Pretty simple. Good luck.